everybody, it's Miss Bixler. I'm back. How are you? I miss you guys. Hope everybody's staying safe and healthy. All right, today we are going to have a math lesson. Today we're going to count to 50 by ones, and then we're going to count from 50 backwards to 0. We are also going to practice our adding with 10 frames. All right, so when you're in Miss Bixler's class, there are times that we would watch our video with Jack Hartman, and he had movements, and he counted to 50, and then he counted backwards. So we're going to do that today with Miss Bixler, and no Jack Hartman. All right, so I need everybody to stand up. I'm going to try our best. All right, so I need everybody, this is where you're cueing the music. This is where I need everybody to count really loud and move your body, okay? So first, you're gonna stand with your hips apart, all right? We're gonna twist. Here we go. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we're gonna march. Let me hear you count. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now we're going to swing forward. Here we go. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now we're going to go backwards. Keep counting. Go. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Very good. Okay, feet apart. Now we're going to wiggle our hips. Here we go. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. All right, great job. Now we're going to go backwards. So feet apart. Let's start with our hips again. Ready, go. 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41. All right, ready? We're going to do backward swim. And go. 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31. Swim forward. Don't forget to count. Here we go. We go. 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. Great job. Now we're going to march. Don't forget to count. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Now we're going to finish with our twist. Finish strong. Ready? Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Great job, everybody. Have a seat. Woo, awesome job. I hope everybody was counting loud and proud, getting some exercise in. Great job. All right, before we start adding, we're going to take some calming breaths. 2 big breaths. We're going to smell the flower, blow out the candle with your arms. Okay, ready? Here we go. Big inhale. Smell your flower. And blow out the candle. Big inhale through your nose. Smell the flower. And blow out your candle. Exhale through your mouth. Out your mouth. Very good. All right. So today, boys and girls, we are going to work on adding, addition. And what does it mean to add? Do you remember? It means put together. Well, put together, add groups of things together. All right. We're also going to use our 10 frame. Here's our frame. And inside of the frame, there are 10 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And something I noticed about the 10 frame, I noticed that there are 5 squares on top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I notice that there are 5 squares on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's going to help me when I work on my math equations later. We also have down here, it's called a number bond. And I know first graders have worked with number bonds, and I know second graders have worked with number bonds, and kindergartners are starting to work with number bonds. So we're also going to use the number bond today. So our first math problem is we have 3 plus 2. All right, 3 plus 2. So I'm going to take green, and in my 10 frame, I'm going to put 3 triangles. Try my blue one. So we have 3 triangles plus 2. So let's say 2 circles. All right. 3 plus 2 equals, now I got to count them all together. So one way I can figure out my math problem is I can count all the shapes all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 shapes all together. Another way I can solve this problem is I can count on. So I will count 3, tap your head, 3, 4, 5. And when you count on, you can either start with your index finger, that's okay, or you can say 3, 4, 5 and count starting with your pinky finger. Either way is fine. That's another way to do it. Another way to figure out your answer is by looking at your 10 frame, and if you know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that there are 5 squares at the top and they're all full, that automatically tells you that there are 5. All right? So in our sentence, this is our math sentence, this number 3, is a part. 2 is another part of the problem. And then we add our parts together to get our whole. So we're going to add those numbers to our number bond. So 3 is a part, so we will put it down here with our part. Plus another part, which is 2. So a part plus a part equals a whole. So a part plus a part equals a whole. So that is how we put our numbers together in our number bond. All right, let's try another one. Quick erase here. Okay, so our next one. Oh, and something I did forget with 3 plus 2, another way we could write 3 plus 2 is this way, vertically. 3 plus 2 equals, and it's going to have the same answer. So we can write our math equations horizontally or vertically. All right, so our next math problem is going to be 1 plus 1. All right, so I'm going to look at that sign. The sign tells me that I'm going to add, putting together. All right, so up here in my 10 frame, I'm going to have 1 square. All right, then I'm going to add 1 circle. And how to figure this out? I could count on 1, 2, and get my answer. And I can count in the 10 frame, or I can check my work. 1, 2, and I can check it. Am I right? Yes. Now let's fill out our number bond. Part plus a part equals a whole. So I know these are my parts, so I'm going to put 1, and my other one, that's a part, and then my whole goes up here too. A part plus a part equals a whole. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Remember, I can also write 1 plus 1 equals 2 vertically. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Right. Now what you boys and girls can do at home is you could get a crayon or a pencil or a marker, some notebook paper or scrap paper, you could practice writing your addition problem. All right, our next thing that we're going to do is 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4. All right, so I'm going to have 6 rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I wanted to go back and check. So 6 rectangles plus how many more rectangles? 4. So I'm going to add 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. 6 plus 4. Remember, I can count on 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, I'm going to put 10, and then, since I'm a mathematician, I'm going to go back and I'm going to check my work to make sure. And I can get my answers 2 different ways. I could look at this 10 frame, and I know when it's full, when every square is full, that automatically means 10. There are 10 shapes. So I know that's right. Or I could use my finger and count one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it matches up. Now to fill out my number bond, I know part plus a part equals a whole. So I'm going to put 6 as a part, 4 is a part, and my whole is 10. Part plus a part equals the whole. 6 plus 4 equals 10, and then I can also write it vertically. 6 plus 4 equals 10. All right. We will keep going. Something fun at home is if you want to play teacher and make up your own math problems, maybe for your brother or sister, or if you have cousins, mom and dad, grandparents. Have them be your students. All right, we have 1 plus 5. Okay, so I'm going to have 1 triangle plus 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 1 plus 5 equals, let's count on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. Okay, so counting on, I got 6. I can do this 2 ways. I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, I checked my answer. That's right. Or I can look at it and I know this is all filled out. So I know that's automatically 5, and then 1 more is 6. All right, now let's fill out our parts. We have a part plus a part equals a whole. So we have a part plus a part equals the whole, which is 6. 1 plus 5 equals 6. All right, let's keep going. We have a few more. And we can also write this one vertically as well. Okay. Now let's look at 9 plus 0. Sometimes the 0 is tricky for everybody, for a lot of people, I should say everybody. Let's have 9 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 circles plus how many more? How many more shapes do we need to add? 0. 0 means nothing, so we don't add anything. So what is our whole? What is our answer going to be? 9 plus 0 equals 9, what we already have. And I can always go back and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I can put that into my number bond because I know a part, 9, plus another part, 0, equals the whole, or the answer, 9. I can also write this problem vertically. 9 plus 0 equals 9. We're going to get into some bigger numbers now because I know that kindergarten going to work on numbers in the teens. So 11 and 12 and 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. All right, so we have some big numbers. So because we have big numbers, we are going to need 2 10 frames, all right? So our first problem is going to be 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3. Well, I already know with the 10 frame that I need to fill this whole 10 frame up. All right, so I'm going to put 10 circles. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's our part. What's our other part? 3. So I'm going to put 3 triangles. 1, 2, 3. Now we're adding, so we need to count them all together. How many shapes do we have all together? So I can count on 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, so 13. Now, I'm a great mathematician, so I'm going to check my work. One way is I can look at the 10 frame. I already know this is 10. It's all full, so I can count on 10, 11, 12, 13. Does it match? Did I get it right? Yes. Or if I need to, I can count them one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And it matches. And even with bigger numbers, part plus a part equals a whole. Same thing. So when you plug those numbers in, a part plus a part equals a whole. So 10 plus 3 equals 13. 10 plus 3 equals 13. Oh, something Miss Bixler forgot. Anybody notice? Look at the board. Does anybody notice? I forgot to write it in the vertical way. Now this might look familiar to some of the second graders. They do a lot of their work this way. And so 10 plus 3 still will equal 13. 2 more on the board. And then we will do something else. Okay? All right, so we have number 16. 16 plus 2. So 16 plus 2 equals how many? Let's go up here and fill it out. 16. I know this is going to be 10, so I'm going to have to fill it up. Let's do it with 10 circles again. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10. Whoops, we're doing 16, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right, now we got it. 16 plus how many more? 2. Let's do 2 rectangles. Plus 2 rectangles. All right, let's count on. 16, 17, 18. All right, so I'm going to write my answer. 18. All right, I'm going to check it. I'm going to count by ones. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ms. Bixler messed up. Sorry, I started thinking about something else. That's all right. Teachers mess up too. So let's count again. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Does it match? Yes, I checked my answer. 18. Very good. And then part plus a part equals a whole. I'm going to fill in my number bond. 16, a part plus another part, 2, equals my whole, 18. 18. Those kindergartners are working on their teens. They're learning their teen numbers. And then for first grade and second grade, this is just a good practice, refresher, in case you forgot what 16 or 18 looked like. All right, we have one more that we're going to do on the board. All right, and something Ms. Bixler did forget, the vertical way. 16 plus 2 equals 18. All right. Our next number, our next math equation is 5 plus 9 equals how many? 5. Ooh, all right, that gives me a clue. That gives me a clue. Because I already know this top row is 5. So I'm going to put 5 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 squares plus how many more? 9. We're going to do 9 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 triangles. Let's count our shapes all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. All right, I'm going to count on, and I'm going to see if I get that same number. Okay, we're going to start with 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I got it. They match. 14. Now I'm going to fill in my number bond for part, whole. And I know 5 plus 9 equals 14. Part plus a part equals a whole. Part plus a part equals a whole. 5 plus 9 equals 14. All right, great job. Now something you guys can do for fun is you can find things around your house or outside and add them together. So I found a few things I want to show you. So you can do different things like if you have Q-tips at home, you could add Q-tips together. If you have spoons, you can add spoons together. Everybody got some spoons. All right. I'm going to show you what Ms. Bixler has. If you have toys, you could add your toys together. I have some toys. Look, I have 3. How many toys? 1, 2, 3. I have 3 toys, so I could put 3 plus. How many? 3 plus how many more? I have 1 more toy. Plus 1 more toy equals how many altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4. That equals 4 toys altogether. So at home, you can add your toys. If you have books, you can get out your books and show mom and dad or granny or auntie or cousins or brothers and sisters and count books. How many books do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 books. And I'm adding plus how many more books? 1, 2. I'm adding 2 more books. So how many books do I have all together? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, I can also count on. 4, 5, 6. I can also count on. I also went outside and took a walk and I found some things. So I can add, I found some sticks. So I'm going to take 1 stick plus, I'm going to add 2 more sticks. 1, 2. I'm going to add 2 more sticks equals how many altogether? 1, 2, 3. And some of you all may be able to just look at that and know that that's 3. And you can count on. 1, 2, 3. All right, 1 more. I picked some leaves. I'm going to make it a math problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 leaves. Plus, how many leaves do I have over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, 6 more leaves. Okay, let's count them. How many do I have all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12 leaves all together. All right, everybody. So today's math lesson, we counted to 50 forwards by 1, and then we started at 50 and counted backwards to 0 by 1s. We also wiggled and did some moving around when we counted. That was fun. And then we also practiced our adding and adding with 10 frames, and then adding objects that we found at home or outside and outside. All right, so if you all would like to work on your own math problems at home and send me a picture, that would be great. And also, if you want to practice adding on the computer, practice adding using 10 frames, all right, you can go to this website and you can take some screenshots and send me some pictures. Okay, here you go. Until next time, see you later. Miss you, bye.